When I turned upside down, it's amazing what you can think in a very short time. And when I had my head and my the top of my body was outside the hatch that I had torpedoed, then I was thinking. I was thinking, how will this end? Normal man, 58 years old, and I've been sailing since I was a child. I've been doing quite a lot of ocean sailing also, and single-handed across the Atlantic. This was a big challenge for me, this race, Golden Globe race. That's a non-stop single-handed race, starting France and then of course also finish in France. When a boat turns upside down, everything it's like in a washing machine, and here you see the main bulkhead is cracked. I wasn't afraid in a way, but you are very curious about what will happen next. After I was getting out of the capsize, I had used my head as a rambuk and knocked out the hatch over there, and I was laying in the water when we was upside down, and I was wondering if this will ever go good. It did. The boat was coming up the right side again, and then I started tidying up, and I made the jury rig, and I have sailed then in about 1 week from the place I was capsized until I came in here